This is a heat phase change problem. We have a liquid going to a gas, and it's already at the transition temperature. So all the heat we put into the system is going to go into accomplishing this phase change. All right, so we look up on our equation sheet and we see there's two values given for the heat of vaporization of water. One in calories, one in joules. We're going to use the value in units of joules because that's requested in the statement of the question. We do want to be careful with unit conversions because our value in the problem is given to us in kilograms and in the value of heat of vaporization in grams. So we remember that 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 grams. Kilograms needs to be in the denominator so that we can cancel these out. We do the math, we look at our sig figs, we see we can only justify 2 sig figs, and we have our final answer.